Because like the healing isn't that important, really, with the auto attack. So I went the one where she hurts mercenaries more.
Paladin, what are you doing?
Choose a talent.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with Unleash the Boars on this one. Because like the Beast of Wrath wasn't doing as much as I'd like.
I like the.
Assist our ally.
So this time it can literally always be Huffer. Alright, they're gonna be up on there. See if we can catch them. There we go. Getting them.
Ah!
Unleashing the Boars, baby.
Went awesome if you got this. That guy.
Got it.
Stirs
Look at that.
within the
Duntos.
minds.
Duntos.
Shall you brave the dark?
So I can get that done on them.
Yeah!
And we got this. Getting it. Alright, we get ready for the mines.
Yep.
We're gonna go through top. Okay. Just chill out here. I'm just gonna have Misha do my dirty work. Alright, let's go.
Do you hear that?
I'm going down, because there's that line of 3.
They're hungry.
Going straight down. Alright, I'm going right.
Yep. You and I had the same idea in mind.
Yeah. Run out of mana. Alright, go down. Because this way, if we get this one, we can go straight to the, Oh, which way was that one?
Just like God, stop fighting down here, but now we're done, so I'm gonna try to come down there.
Alright. We already got 36. I'm going to the one on the top right.
Oh!
Uh-oh. Stasis. Stasis. Alright. Sergeant Hammer's down there. Go top. I'm gonna get these.
I think we got a bunch of them on us, just to let you know.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm saying at least we can get these. Alright, so we got 46.
Yep.
There we go. Unleashing the Boars. They're gonna get a huge stun there. Good job, man.
Thank you.
Oh,
As long as we can kill the Diablo. Yeah!
Alright, go to Zeratul. Alright. Misha's dead, so I don't have much to me now.
Barely.
Oh, goodness.
Fight.
Alright. But Lich King should be able to get some work done here.
Okay.
Oh, I died. Get 3 has ended. That's okay. I like that. So that's good. So we should be able to get the big dude off of that since we have Lich King.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. That's good.
Get that. Lich King should be able to heal up on that, actually.
I'm on my way back. At least we got the... I got the Diablo. That's what I wanted to do.
Lich King's tanky enough. Lich King is totally tanky enough.
You guys can just go get the
Yeah.
camps.
We got more than 57 now. I'm gonna get
Okay.
this camp.
I'll head back.
Billy bop. Yeah, Rexar's tons of fun. Just because Misha's charge is so useful. And she can get objectives really hard.
Oh.
Yeah, there's someone there. Oh,
Shit.
shit. Let me get this camp. I'm an awful teammate. Oh, but I got the camp. And that's what matters. Yeah, Diablo, he got
Get
that.
him. Ah, Illidan ulted me. Dead.
Oh, I'm dead.
Did I admit this land is beyond death?
Damn, Illidan.
Sit in, my golem, and unleash your cowardice.
Run, Brett, run!
I'm trying to send Misha on him. Ah, so close. It's okay, our golem is incredibly stronger.
Yeah.
So,
Just
I mean-
a little bit.
Yeah. I'm just gonna go straight top. Cause, yeah.
Yeah, me too.
And Nova's not a fair champion, so. Although, neither is. It's okay. We got this. I'll be up in 6.
The golems return. Your
Our golem was doing a lot of work. Alright, cool, look at that. Done. Get that. Unova. Oh. Ability. I'm coming.
There he is.
Coming. Yeah, protect that gold ham. Here we go. Unleashing the boars, baby. I don't care about you.
Oh my. I can get anybody in that stun.
It's okay, we can get this fort. Get this health thingy.
Ah, fuck you, Illidan. God damn it.
It's okay. We got a lot down there. Look, we're already at their shrine. It's okay. We still have like almost 2 levels on them. So.
Illidan's nuts.
Yeah.
It can be.
Yeah. Keep forgetting we have a Nova.
No, it's nuts.
Going top.
Yeah, I forget too, but it's because she's only sort of okay. Almost the lowest damage on the team.
Yeah.
This is what I mean. I hate Novas. They just run around Viz. Suck.
It's just like a permanently stealth range character.
She should be doing way more damage than me. She's not even doing half.
Kind of like how they rewatch Twitch. And, well, they rewatch stealth in general in League.
Oh!
There we go. Nice mount, by the way. Ashler.
Thank you.
Oh crap.
I have the Warlords of Draenor pre-order mount. Yay.
I saw you running around all invisible.
I love that. Is one thing I do like about that.
Ah shit. I got gang banged up top. I thought we were going top.
Oh good. We're getting
God damn it, Illidan.
I'm coming on it.
Every ult.
What? Will playing a player versus player game? Is this a fake stream? It is not, Jilliams. I am playing some Heroes of the Storm.
Yeah, I didn't die.
Winning. Ish.
But
That's because he's
you
playing with me, and I only
Did
like
you
games.
no, I did not hire actors to play my enemies. But I am joined by the lovely Ashlers and my good friend Brett. So we're playing right now, and I suck at this game.
Nonsense. Diablo's cool. You're good at Diablo. Just be in their face. That's what he's supposed to do.
I guess what I'm trying to get used to is just the key placement and stuff.
Right.
That's about it. Are we going? Are you guys already in the mines?
Yeah.
Shit.
Got
Also,
him. Alright, bad things are gonna. I'm gonna try and peel for you, but I'm not. It's not gonna work. But that's okay. Oh no. Oh, fire breath.
I'm coming.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. I'm coming back. I'm not done yet. Boom, baby. I'm not done yet. Oh wait, what killed me? Well, I'm done now. I wasn't done yet before, but now. Now I'm done.
myself. No, I'm not. I gotta hurt this. Done, bitch!
Enemy slain.
Your soul is mine. This world will burn.
Oh, Old Dirty's here.
Get the big dude.
How do you check store availability for an item on Toys R Us?
I don't know.
It said it's sold in their stores.
Oh, damn it.
Say where? Please check your local store. Chat with people? Chat now.
Damn it. The Sylvanas killed me.
She's almost dead, isn't she?
Yeah. We all suck at every game. Someone just easy to learn. Another just depends on the game. That's true. But Chilliams, do you have this game, my friend, or you just want to watch right now? Because let's see if you have it, you can totally join us.
Please do. Oh wait, are the mines happening again?
They're not again. They're still.
Oh goodness.
Damn it.
I'm coming. Oh, I'm coming. like you
Hammer's
didn't
there
win
and kind of almost dead.
Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this, look. I'm gonna steal it from him. I'm gonna steal it from him.
Make sure you get the skulls.
That's what I'm doing. Just standing right here, get some skulls right here. Get some skulls. They can't get some skulls. Getting all these skulls I got. Look at that.
And destroy your
I
enemy.
took their skulls. They're mad.
I just the Misfits song. Skulls just popped in my head. I'm gonna go focus on the skeleton or their enemy golem. Yeah, Old Dirty was down there, but didn't really help me much when I was getting my butt kicked.
A weak goblin. Gather more skulls.
I'm talking to a Toys R Us representative under the name Jason to see if they have my Jason toy. Jason, how may I help you? It's like, yeah, I'm trying to see if you have me in your store.
If that actually works.
Where do I click my royalties check, sir?
That's all good, Chilliams. Whenever I'll probably be playing this game a lot more, and I like to play with friends in this game. So if you ever wanna, if I'm on, ever wanna join me, more than welcome to. Same goes for you, Ashlers. If I'm on, you wanna play.
God damn it.
Golem's dead.
Alright, well, they got this.
Ooh, my God.
Illidan said we're not prepared.
Well,
Alright,
We're
well.
gonna lose this game. We're behind in level now.
Oh, goodness. Yes, we are. Oh, don't do it, Illidan. Or Lich King.
yeah.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
You know, you say you're terrible at this game, but as Diablo, you're out damaging our Nova. That's how bad. This is why I always say I hate Nova. I swear to God, every time I get a pug Nova, they're terrible.
Holy crap.
Terrible.
I'm out damaging her in every way.
Yes.
Holy, and that's not supposed to happen.
Shit.
Oh my God.
Oh, God, he ulted me.
This is what I mean. I always get this terrible fucking Novas on my team.
Yeah.
It's okay, you're out
Did you guys ever play Heroes of New Earth?
No, I haven't actually, but I
Oh my God, there's a character in that game called Scout, which is kind of what Nova is. They were just always a nightmare. Always bad, no matter what you did.
Well, you know, you actually kind of know someone who does play Heroes personally now, Chilliams. Me! Well, we don't really know each other in real life, but, you know. Oh, please stun them all. Ah, I died, but I took the Zeratul out.
Slay the undead and claim their skulls, hero.
We lost the keep, that's good. That's nice. Oh God, the mines are back up?
Yep.
No. Oh, there.
Uh-oh.
We should go in those mines.
I'm in the mines.
It's all the cool people. It's all the
Yeah,
cool
you go. I'm gonna stay out. I'm almost dead. I'll push back bottom. You guys don't need me. They're all dead. Almost.
people. They have Misha. Alright,
Ah, my mouse cord keeps getting stuck under my monitor.
I guess we're going straight for the big guy.
I guess.
Let's do it!
Oh shit!
Get on it!